Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Alex. Today, we're tackling a topic that's super important for anyone learning English: small talk.
Yes, small talk might seem easy or even unimportant, but it's actually the gateway to making friends, networking, and feeling confident in everyday English.
So true. But many learners tell me they struggle with small talk. They don't know how to start, keep, or end conversations smoothly.
Exactly. Sometimes it feels awkward, or they worry about making mistakes, or they run out of things to say.
In this episode, we'll break down everything you need to know, from simple phrases to mindset shifts, so small talk becomes easy and fun.
Let's start with the basics. What is small talk exactly?
Small talk is light, informal conversation. It's often about everyday topics like the weather, hobbies, work, or current events.
Right. It's not deep or serious, just friendly chat that helps people connect.
For example, when you meet someone new at a party or the coffee shop, you might say, "Hi, how's your day going?" That's small talk.
So, why is small talk so important?
Because it opens doors. When you can do small talk well, you feel more comfortable around others. It builds trust and breaks the ice.
Also, it's practice for your English speaking. Small talk happens in almost every social situation.
Let's talk about how to start small talk. What are some good opening lines?
Great question. Some classic openers are, "Hi, how are you today?" "Nice weather we're having, isn't it?" "Have you tried the coffee here before?" "What do you do for work?"
Notice these questions are open-ended or inviting. They encourage the other person to respond with more than just yes or no.
Exactly. Open-ended questions keep the conversation flowing. For example, instead of, "Did you have a good weekend?" you can ask, "What did you do over the weekend?"
That gives the person a chance to share stories, which creates connection.
What if you're shy or nervous about starting small talk?
It's normal to feel that way. Start small. Try greeting people with a smile and hello first.
Also, practice makes perfect. You can rehearse common phrases or questions at home.
Even talking to yourself out loud helps build confidence.
That's a great tip. Now, once you start talking, how do you keep the conversation going?
Active listening is key. Show you're interested by nodding, smiling, and giving short responses like, "That's interesting," or "Really?"
And ask follow-up questions based on what they say. For example, if they say, "I went hiking last weekend," you can say, "Oh, nice. Where did you go hiking?"
That shows you care about the conversation and encourages them to share more.
Also, don't forget to share about yourself, too. Small talk is a two-way street.
Right. You can say, "I love hiking too," or "I'm thinking about trying hiking next weekend."
Sharing makes the conversation balanced and natural.
Sometimes conversations hit a pause or get stuck. What do you recommend then?
You can change the topic gently. Say something like, "By the way, have you seen any good movies recently?"
Or use humor if you're comfortable. "I'm running out of things to say. Help me out."
That often makes people laugh and relax.
What about when you don't understand something?
Don't hesitate to ask for clarification. You can say, "Sorry, could you repeat that?" Or, "I'm not sure I understood. Can you explain?"
Most people appreciate that you're trying.
Now, let's talk about cultural differences in small talk.
Good point. In some cultures, people enjoy personal questions quickly, while in others, it's better to keep it general.
So, it's good to observe the other person's comfort level and adjust.
Also, topics like politics or religion are often avoided in small talk.
Stick to safe topics like hobbies, weather, food, or travel.
What about body language? How important is it?
Very important. Smile genuinely. Keep eye contact and face the person.
Avoid crossing your arms or looking at your phone. That can seem rude or uninterested.
Now, here are some handy phrases you can use in small talk. What do you like to do in your free time? Have you traveled anywhere interesting lately? Do you have any favorite restaurants nearby? How long have you lived here? What kind of music do you enjoy?
Practice these phrases regularly and try to use them in real conversations.
Let's role play a small talk example. I'll start.
Sounds good.
Hi, Alex. How's your day going?
Hi, Lisa. It's going well, thanks. I went for a walk this morning. How about you?
That sounds nice. Where did you walk?
I walked in the park near my house. It's so beautiful this time of year.
I love the park too. Do you go there often?
Yes, almost every day. It helps me relax after work.
I should try that. What else do you do to relax?
I like reading books and watching movies. How about you?
I enjoy cooking and trying new recipes.
That's great. What's your favorite dish to cook?
I love making pasta with fresh vegetables.
Yum, that sounds delicious.
Thanks. Maybe I can cook for you sometime.
I'd like that.
See? That was natural and friendly.
Yes, and notice how we asked open questions and shared about ourselves.
Let's talk about common challenges people face in small talk.
One big challenge is fear of making mistakes.
Remember, small talk is about connection, not perfect English.
Another challenge is running out of things to say.
Prepare a mental list of topics and questions beforehand.
Also, practice makes it easier over time.
Finally, don't forget to smile and relax.
Here's a challenge for our listeners. Try to start a small talk conversation every day this week.
It can be as simple as saying hi to a neighbor or asking a coworker about their weekend.
Notice how it feels and what you learn each time.
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into small talk.
We hope you feel ready and excited to practice.
See you next time for more English learning tips.
Happy chatting!